As you can see, the NB2300 right now, it's ready to go, and we're sitting at a little over 200 psi, which again, for a 120 volt steamer to reach 200 psi is just phenomenal. Our overpressure light was on, and now it wants a little bit more water, so it's pumping water into the heating chamber, and at the same time our pressure goes up. Now as we start to use the machine, we will drop a little pressure, but it recovers extremely fast. Gives us an operating pressure of still well over 100 psi. Now it's asking for more water, pressure comes back up. And as long as I let the machine sit for say 20 or 30 seconds as we'd be wiping down the car, our pressure climbs back up. When we're ready to go, we have more water in the hose now because we're still requesting it on wet steam. In a boiler steamer, when you request steam, you're letting steam pressure out of a boiler. So you notice a pressure drop, it's dry steam to begin with. With a non-boiler steamer, we're only heating steam as we need it, and the pump is pumping the steam. This is why we have such great recovery time, this is why we have such a fast heat up time, and as long as we're not using the steamer for 7 or 8 minutes straight, which that's not the way you would use the machine anyway, we're going to have steam on demand. This machine is as powerful or more powerful than any propane unit, any diesel unit, and some of the 220 volt units. This machine runs on 120 volt electricity.